Hi, it's Jan from SensoryCraft, here to give you a sneak peek at our LED light tube. The light tube adds mesmerising visual stimulation to any sensory area. It can be enjoyed as a standalone plug-and-play item, or it can be the perfect addition to build into a padded sensory area. Light tubes are also a superb sensory alternative to traditional bubble tubes. Where bubble tubes require timely and regular water changes, light tubes offer a maintenance-free alternative. What's more, LED light tubes can actually offer more light transition effects than a bubble tube can, and create far more spectacular stimulus. Light tubes can achieve greater sensory effects without the noisy water pump of a bubble tube. With the LED tube, the calming effects of light and motion can either be enjoyed passively or can provide an interactive experience for more sensory-seeking users. Interaction is compatible with our colour-changing cube and our 9-button oval remote. With a huge range of modes, the light tube can stimulate the senses with solid colours, vertical and diagonal candy cane twists, rainbow effects, imitation bubbles, and can be set to be sound responsive. Visit sensorycraft.co.uk to learn more about LED light tubes and its sensory benefits. See you soon.